No man can ever buy a mother's love for her children, this I know. So if you think of crying, remember it was I who told you so. I remember well when we were kids and Mama sitting on the fireside chair. As she shed a tear, I heard her say, I love you all and I still care. Has anybody seen my Mama? She's wearing second-handed clothes. There's tears in her eyes and worry on her mind, but she's got a heart of gold. Has anybody seen my Mama? She may be walking on the road, looking for a job or a lonely room. So if you see my Mama, send her home. Daddy used to work out late, and sometimes he would not get home till dawn. Then one night he returned home late to find us all asleep but Mama gone. The note on the table told us why she'd left us all alone. Dear Dad and kids, I love you, but the nights and hours I waited were too long. Has anybody seen my Mama? She's wearing second-handed clothes. There's tears in her eyes and worry on her mind, but she's got a heart of gold. Has anybody seen my Mama? She may be walking on the road, out looking for a job or a lonely room. So if you see my Mama, send her home. Yes, if you see my Mama, send her home.